Hello everyone, today in this video we're going to see a great pumpkin pie recipe. But first of all, do you know what is Thanksgiving Day? Well, the Thanksgiving Day it's an annual national holiday celebrated in the United States and Canada, where they celebrate the harvest and other blessings of the past year. Americans generally believe that their Thanksgiving is modeled on a 1621 harvest feast shared by the English colonists of Plymouth and the Wampanoag people. The American holiday is particularly rich in legend and symbolism, and the traditional fare of Thanksgiving meal typically includes turkey, the great one, bread stuffing, potatoes, cranberries, and guess, the pumpkin pie. Well, with respect to vehicular travel, the holiday is often the busiest of the year. As family members gather with one another, Thanksgiving Day is celebrated in this year on Thursday, November 26, 2020. And now let's go with the recipe. The ingredients are 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 large eggs, 1 can of Levy's Levy's 100 per pumpkin. Well, for the Levy's 100 per pumpkin, well, it's a substitute for obviously the pumpkin. So if you don't have a pumpkin or you don't know where to buy it, you can buy this substitute that it says that is per pumpkin. So I think it's a great option in case you don't have a pumpkin or you don't want to buy it. For the next ingredient, that is what can Nestle Carnation evaporate milk, or you can use a substitute with equal amount lactose-free or almond cooking milk. The Nestle Carnation, you can use it if you don't have obviously evaporate milk, but this is the great option to substitute that evaporate milk and give a great taste to your pumpkin pie especially. So now we continue. And one unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Well, now let's go with the preparation. For the first step, first mix the sugar, the cinnamon, the salt, the ginger, and the cloves in a small bowl. Beat eggs in large bowl. Now stir it in pumpkin and sugar spice mixture. Gradually stir it in evaporate milk. The second step is to pour into the pie shell. The third step is to bake in preheat 425 degrees Fahrenheit, oven for 15 minutes, more or less. And now reduce the temperature to 315 degrees Fahrenheit, baked for 40 minutes, or until knife inserted near center comes out clean. Cool on wire rack for 2 hours and serve immediately or refrigerate. And finally, we finished this excellent recipe. I hope you enjoyed to prepare this and obviously the dish. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next recipe video. Goodbye.